Hey, what up, y'all? I'm in the snowstorm, Chicago. I'm in Pilsen. Got a taste for some tacos. I'm at Ruby's in Pilsen. What up, y'all? I was told that Ruby's got it on the tacos, so I'm finna see how they taste. And for $6 a pop, man, they gotta be good. Okay, I got a steak, asada, and I have al pastor pork. And for $6, this taco little as hell. But I'm finna see how it tastes. Good. God damn, y'all. Steak taco good as hell. Now let's see how this pork tastes. All right, y'all. I also got the flaming hot elote. God damn. Although the tacos was valid, $6 a pop is diabolical. I think they need to lower them prices down to $3 a pop. But overall, I'm gonna get them an 8.5. And that flaming hot Cheeto elote, I'm giving that a 10 out of 10. Never in my life tasted nothing like that before. So try Ruby's out over here, Pilsen, like Racine and 18.